Unlock the immense power of Gemini AI in your own applications with this comprehensive guide to the Gemini API. Our journey begins with securing access. The first crucial step is setting up your API key. You'll need to visit the Google AI for Developers website and navigate to the API key generation section. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a new API key. Treat this key like a password and keep it confidential, as it grants access to Gemini's capabilities. Next, we delve into constructing your requests when you want to interact with Gemini. You'll send data to a specific API endpoint. The structure of this request is paramount. You'll typically package your instructions and any relevant context in a well-defined format, often JSON, specifying the model you wish to use and the prompt you want to send. Once you send your request, Gemini processes it. The API will then return a response containing the generated content. This response will also be in a structured format, making it easy for your application to parse and utilize. You'll be able to extract text, understand generated code, or interpret other AI outputs. For effective integration, proper data handling is key. This involves not only sending your prompts accurately, but also understanding and processing the API's responses efficiently within your application's logic. Think about how you'll display the generated text, use code snippets, or react to Gemini's insights. By mastering authentication, request formatting, and data handling, you're now equipped to seamlessly integrate Gemini's advanced AI features. This opens the door to a world of AI-driven innovation for your projects.